Your brain has a 3-hour limit. Cross it and everything you do becomes worthless. Let me show you how the top 1% actually structure their days in 3 steps most people completely ignore. Step 1. Identify your biological prime time. Your brain has exactly 2 to 3 hours per day of peak cognitive performance. Not 8, not 12. 3. Zuckerberg codes in the morning. Bezos makes critical decisions before 10 a.m. Musk handles the hardest problems first thing. They're not morning people, they're strategic. Step 2. Use the 80-20 power ranking. List everything you need to do. Then ask, which one task, if completed, would make everything else easier or unnecessary? That's your power task. It goes in your 3-hour window. Everything else? Delegate, automate, or delete. The top 1% don't do more. They do less, but they do the right thing during their peak hours. Step 3. Install a hard stop. After 3 hours of deep work, your returns diminish by 60%. You're not being productive. You're being busy. Set a timer. When it goes off, you stop. No negotiation. Then you do low-stakes work, emails, calls, admin. Save your peak performance for what actually moves the needle. Here's what changes. You stop working 12-hour days and getting nothing done. You start working 3 focused hours and achieving what used to take you a week. The top 1% don't outwork you, they out-strategize you. Learn when your brain actually works, protect those hours like your life depends on it, and watch everything change.